Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick hair review on this hair right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned.
Show me how to love and how to deal with pain. Sometimes I get angry, but I can't complain. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yes, yes, yes. I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. Thank you.
Okay love, so first before I jump into all of this, I hope that you guys are doing exceptionally well today whenever you guys are checking out this video. I always want to just pop in and say thank you guys so much for coming to my channel. I know that you guys could be anywhere, but you guys continue to show up and show off for your girl, so I just thank you guys so much. And so now let's just get into this hair. So this video is courtesy of a company called ALLOVE Hair. They were kind enough to send me this hair that you see right here, and so all the deets are, this is their Malaysian loose deep wave hair. I got it in 4 bundles of 22 inches, so all bundles were 22 inches and an 18-inch closure. And last time that I seen the retail price, it was around $142, which is not bad for 4 bundles and a closure. And so as you guys can see, it is very full. I actually don't have much left of the 4th bundle. I used pretty much all the bundles, so let me just tell you guys that this is all that I have from 4 bundles. So if you guys can see that, look, it is nothing left pretty much. Oops, it is nothing left. Your girl was determined to get all 4 bundles. As you guys know, I love volume. I love a lot of hair. So as you guys know, if you don't know, your girl is a stallion, okay? I stand at 5'10". You know, I ain't skinny, okay? So having a lot of hair just, I don't know, it just makes me feel good, you know? But besides all of that, what I really want to get into is this closure right here. Like, y'all, can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Aren't you guys proud of me? Your girl did not do any excessive baby hairs. Like, I was getting over it myself with the whole baby hairs look. Not to say that I'm not going to do baby hairs ever again in life, but I wanted more natural looking hair and more natural looking baby hair. So that's what you got right here. The only baby hairs that I really did is this right here. But other than that, I felt like this closure was phenomenal to where I didn't even need baby hairs. I did bleach the knots on the closure, as well as put some like makeup foundation on the lace so that it could blend better with my skin. But as far as I didn't have to pluck this unit, that is a new one. Like, I feel like all the closures I've had to pluck them, and I didn't pluck this, y'all. So some deets on their closure, because I feel like that's like the highlight of this video. Yes, I love the hair. I love the curl pattern. This is actually the hair in its natural state. I wanted to definitely give you guys like an initial review of the hair, and so I wanted you guys to see it in its natural pattern. So this is the hair after I just made it into a unit. The only part that I really put like some water on was the closure, because I did wash it, and because I had put a clip on it, the hair was more like crinkly, so I did put some water on it, and for the most part the pattern came back. So I definitely wanted to just show you guys how it looks if you guys decide to get this hair, how voluminous it is. But the deets on the closure is, it says it was reinforced to avoid shedding. It does come with natural baby hairs, which I don't even think I really used any of the baby hairs, but it does say it has natural baby hairs. It says it came with slightly bleached knots. I decided to go ahead and just bleach them myself. It does have medium brown lace color, and then it's designed as a real human forehead. Now, I'm not really sure what that means, but it looks real, so I guess they did their job. And then it says that it's 130% hair density. So yeah, that was the deets on the closure. As you guys know, I review a lot of hair, and sometimes some hair wows me, sometimes it doesn't. I absolutely love this hair, but I'm just more so focused on the closure. Like, it means nothing if the hair is good, if the hair looks fake, or if you can tell that it's a closure or a frontal. So for me, I'm just absolutely loving this whole look as a whole. I'm definitely going to bring you guys another video once I decide what I'm going to do with this hair next, and just kind of play with it so that you guys can just kind of get a variety of styles and looks with this hair. I'm actually thinking about coloring this hair, because this hair is very dark. That's one thing I will say. It's not like a natural, like, I don't even want to say it's like a 1 or like a 2. I feel like this is definitely like a 1, like a jet black kind of thing. So sometimes I feel like jet black is pretty harsh on my skin tone. And of course, because we are in spring, we go into summer, I might decide to lighten it up a little bit. So you guys be looking out for that video. And of course, I'll do an updated review on how the hair, you know, does with whatever I do. If I decide to straighten it, not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I know that I have plans for this seeing it because this closure, okay? So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.